Welcome to the Demeter Framework's WaterOneFlow web service demo video. In a previous video, I gave an overall introduction to the framework and the Persephone user interface. Now I'm going to go through an example usage of the WaterOneFlow activity that has been developed. First, we need to go to our Online Catalogue and download the activity by selecting the Activities entry in the Components list. Once that has retrieved the activities, we add the WaterOneFlow data search activity to our list and we click OK. This will download the WaterOneFlow data search activity. Once that has completed, we can now start using it. Now, we can open the WaterOneFlow activity group and click on the activity. Once it's on the canvas, we can double-click the activity and start using its user interface. It begins by querying the quasi-central servers for the services and parameters that can be used for the search. Once that has completed, we can begin zooming and panning around on the map to home in on the area we wish to search. For this example, I will be searching on the area in and around South Lake Tahoe. Now, I wish to search for any sites that measure water temperature in this area. So I can begin typing in the filter box on the left, and it will filter out based on what I'm typing in. I add it to the list, and then I click on Search for Series Data, and this will query the quasi-central servers for any sites that measure any of the selected properties in this list below. Once the sites have been found, I can now download them. This process stores the results for use in the scenario, but you can see the results by viewing the retrieved values pane once we have completed the download. As you can see, here are the values that we have downloaded. Once we are done, we can click OK, and the data will be stored in the scenario. Now, we can go to the Data Output Activity group and select Save Data. We draw a channel between the two of them, and since we don't wish to convert to any other format, we click OK. Finally, all we need to do is run the scenario. Once it is complete, we can go to the File Transfers pane and save the file to our local disk. And we'll go ahead and call that WaterML. And here we can see the data in an XML format. This is just one example of the integration of a data source into the Demeter framework. Currently, there also exists an activity to access the NCCP data we have stored on our servers. We are continually looking for new data sources to integrate into the Demeter framework, so any collaboration or contributions would be greatly appreciated. Thank you for your time.